Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and today I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 11 Moment 5 and turn on its features. I think this is super cool, so let's just get to it. So what you have to do is press the Windows button and click on the settings icon. Afterwards, scroll down until you find the Windows Update category and then just click on it. Now in here, click on the Check for Updates button, and if you get a message that KB5034848 is available for download, then this is the Moment 5 option. Now just click on Download and Install, then confirm the action by clicking on Turn On when you get the message, get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Then wait for the system to download and install the update. From here on, it's super simple. Wait it out until it will download and install, and then restart your computer. Then you can just check whether you have the Moment 5 features. But in case you do not get them, here's what you can do. Head over to your default browser and then simply access the link that I posted in the description below. This is the official page for the Vive tool, which is a great administrative app to unlock hidden features. So in here, simply download the latest version. Now click on it, choose a location preferably on your desktop, and then click on the Save button. Now minimize the window, then open up the zip file and make sure to copy all the files into a new folder on your desktop, preferably because it's more efficient. So right click on your desktop, head over New, and then click on Folder. Now double click on this folder and then make sure to copy paste it in here. Now the next thing you have to do is press the Windows button, type in CMD, then run command prompt as an administrator. And from here on, simply type the following command: cd, then make sure to type in the address that you have the Vive folder in. Now press on enter, and then simply type the following command. Now from here on, again press on enter, and then make sure to restart your computer and enjoy the new features from Moment 5. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.